Welcome all. So in the last class, I just spoke about the introduction to management and the various definitions of management. So in the last class, I just gave an introduction along with the definition of management. So in this session, I'll be talking about what is the need of management. So what is the need of management? So in this session, I'll be talking about the need of management. So the first thing is what are some of the reasons we need management? See, the direction, control, coordination of group effort. So these are the need of management. So direction, coordination. So direction, coordination, and control and control of group efforts. So for example, in business, many people will work together. So these people need direction, and also someone should guide them for increasing their efficiency. So without guidance, they will work as per their will, as per their desire, and the orderly working or the process which is involved in the enterprise, the process will not be followed, and it will not be possible also. So here management is needed for planning the business activities, for guiding the employees in the proper direction or in the right direction, and also finally coordinating all their efforts for getting the best results or for getting the favorable result. So this is the need of management. So management is needed for direction, coordination, and controlling of group efforts. So this is the one thing. So, the example which I gave, the people will be working together for achieving some common goal. So, they should need some direction, they should need some guidance so that their efficiency or their productivity can be improved. So, without proper guidance or without proper inputs from the management, they will not be able to achieve the desired results because they will not be working in a proper direction. They might be working in the direction which will result in the lower productivity. So for all these things, for managing these people, for guiding these people, for controlling these people or the controlling the group of employees, we need this management, so through which you can achieve the best results or the favorable result. So this is one thing. Second thing, why we need management means for the orderly achievement of business objective. For the orderly achievement of business objective, we need management. So, efficient management is always needed for achieving the objectives of business in an orderly manner or in a faster manner. So, that is why we need management. So the management is needed for orderly achievement of business objective. So the efficient management will help us to achieve the objectives of business activity in a rapid manner or in a faster manner or in a quick manner, and also in the orderly manner. So that is why we need management. The second and the third point is the performance. The third point is the performance of managerial functions. The performance of managerial functions. So what are these managerial functions? See, this planning, organizing, coordinating, and controlling. So these are the basic managerial functions. So management is needed. management is needed for performing these functions. So, what are these managerial functions? Planning, organizing, coordinating, 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 and controlling. So, all these things, all these four parameters, this planning, organizing, coordinating, and controlling. So these four parameters, they are the basic functions of management. They are the basic functions of management. So here management is needed. Here management is needed um, because these functions are performed through the management process, this planning process, the organizing, coordinating, and controlling. All these things are performed through the management process. So that is why we need management. And the next one will be communication. The next one will be the communication, um, or you can call it as the effective communication. Effective communication at all the levels, at all the levels. So uh, the management is the one which is responsible for having the effective communication within the organization. Within the organization, it can be at any level as well as outside the organization. So, for getting a business, we need management. The people should talk with the clients in order to get the business. And if there is some issue within the organization, the management has to look into that issue and it has to communicate with all the stakeholders involved and resolve those issues. So we need effective communication at all the levels. So that is why we need management. The management is needed for communication within the organization as well as outside the organization. And the next thing, motivation. Motivation. So in order to motivate the employees, in order to motivate the people who are working in the organization, the management is needed. So the management is needed for motivating the employees and also coordinating their efforts so that they can achieve the business objective quickly. So that's why we need management. So management is needed so that they can motivate all the employees who are working for their organization and also coordinating their efforts, which will help us to achieve the business objective quickly or rapidly. So this is why we need motivation, or this is why the management is needed for motivating all the employees. And the next one is the success and business stability. Success and stability of an organization can be possible only if efficient management is done. So if the management is not if it is not managed efficiently, or if it is managed ineffectively, then it will not be possible for achieving the success in that organization. So for getting the success, for getting the stability of a business, we need efficient management, or the misutilization of management or inefficient management will result in a failure or an instability of that business organization. So we need effective or the efficient management for achieving the success, stability, and prosperity of a business enterprise. So these are the parameters, or so these are the points for which we need management. So first thing is direction, control, and control on coordination of group efforts for getting the orderly achievement of business objective, for the performance of managerial functions, for effective communication at all the levels, motivation of employees, success and stability of business enterprises.